Sale. Why? I made a purchase. I feel like I broke the ice. I feel good.
You're so silly. What are you doing? It's a what?
Funny.
About $2.
On your belly? A star on your belly? What are you, a Care Bear? What are you doing, buddy?
In the kitchen.
Are you just chilling out?
In the kitchen.
I was like a dog after a piece of meat on the thing. I had to have that. I would get $100. I stepped up to the plate. I mean, it's obviously worth more than I paid, you know. But he was happy. He was very happy. This bicycle is the bicycle I tried to buy you last time I was here. And here it is.
And she's eating her food. You ever seen a turtle eat? That's how a turtle eats. Hey baby, you're on camera. Were you making burr 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 noises? Burr 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 burr. Is that what you were doing? Look at you in your crazy hospital bed, huh? Hey, are you in your hospital bed? Oh yeah, you want your camera. This is your IV, huh? Look at you with your IV, looking all crazy, huh? Anyway, since Sunday, Quentin's been a little sick, and so we brought him in Thursday, yesterday, I don't know what day it is. Yeah, so I think we brought him in Thursday. Took him to the clinic. Clinic told us to bring him to Emerge. Emerge admitted us. So Thursday we were here. Friday, it's Friday today, Friday night. So this is where we are. And there's Quentin. Oh, and there's Dave. This is where I'm sleeping. I moved my pajamas. It's like my pillow on a really crappy thin mattress thing with some crappy blankets, and then Dave brought me a blanket too. And look out here. This is the little courtyard out here, full of snow. No footprints, so we don't always creep and peek in my window. People walking about there. There's some people way up on the 3rd floor chilling out. Huh. When I had Quentin, I was in the bottom window over there. The corner. Looking this way. Neat, huh? It's all open up there.
Well, apparently there is Wi-Fi. But you have to know the password. And, well, the nurse doesn't know the password. I asked. I was curious because I was like, how can a hospital not have Wi-Fi as a customer service thing? Because, I mean, like, almost everywhere has Wi-Fi now. You know, McDonald's is getting Wi-Fi. That's what I was feeling. Okay. You know, but, yeah, no Wi-Fi. Password available. Makes me cry.
There's Quentin. Hi. Look at you with your big old funny arms. What are you doing? We just woke up and it's Saturday and we're eating the puppies. You want more puppies? Want more? No? Okay. You officially does not want any more puppies. Let's wipe your face. What's that? No. What's up? Hi. Hi. What are you doing? Yeah, look at your teeth, eh? You're such a big boy. Hey, Bob.